Yeah, I'm gonna do it upside down. See?
Okay. Before he starts sawing on this, I just want to show you guys what I meant about the great installation of this window. See that right there? All there is some vinyl siding and some caulking right there, and that's mostly caulk right there. They just decided to fill in the gap. And flies get in, and there was 100 flies on that sill. So, it's coming out. It's coming out right now. He says it's not going to make it through.
Not gonna be able to sell it.
Which stinks, because when I thought about the excitement of getting 20 bucks for this window because the new one's like 50, we figure pretty much anything that you sell, you can sell for at least half of new. And, you know, if you can save it, why not save it? But he's going to deconstruct it, apparently, in a way that I didn't think he would. So, yeah, we'll watch him take it out. But you get to take it apart different than the first one. Right?
Yeah, they put them in with such huge nails. There's just nothing you can do about it.
The first one, he started with taking the glass out, didn't you?
I think some of the first supplies came in.
Yeah.
Maybe some boards came through it. This was even rotted out on the other one. They didn't do well.
No. But, like this wall, you can see we've got the moisture there from it condensating and just, I don't know. I mean, this is the south side of the house, so it's rare for us to get rain and snow and wind coming from that direction. I think the shorter one would be handy. The shorter crowbar. You could probably create something with this with some ideas off of Etsy. You can look up just about anything you want and find ideas on how to make something on Pinterest. And if you don't want to make it yourself, you go on Etsy and buy it. And if you're not making your own maple syrup, go on Etsy and you can order it from us. We've got a supply of maple syrup. We've got a supply of honey. It is super duper maple syrup tapping time for doing your trees. So if you need supplies for that, we've got drop lines that you can feed into your buckets on there. So just go on there. We're usually shipping same day or within 24 hours. And they get sent right out. Most out-of-state deliveries are showing delivered within 4 days of the time I print the label and get it sent out. Oh. It's nailed so good. Well, you can save the piece of glass.
You spoke too soon, probably. Maybe.
I can always use more practice at cutting glass.
Glass on the other one, but now that you said that,
yeah.
That's how.
Well, maybe you should start on top so it doesn't drop. It's like cork, it's so rotted. don't worry about him. He's had a recent enough tetanus shot. He doesn't have to worry about.
I had my safety squints engaged. So.
Safety squints.
Engaged. So, I'm alright. I'm trying to save it for you.
If any of you guys watching this think that he doesn't do stuff for me, you wouldn't believe what he does for me. He's like, it's just a window, get rid of it. No, save it. You can't walk through our basement and our shop, our garage, because I save everything because, you know, I don't want to turn around and go to the hardware store to get a piece of glass for something.
There you go, $1.
$1. The last window that I needed a sheet of glass for was about $8, I think. So that's real good. Well, and it's a nice sunny day today. Not very warm. I think it's supposed to get up to about 40 today, but it's 52 up here. It's warmed up. Oh yeah. Some high quality material. They could have saved the like $150 plus installation of these windows for an attic space by just having a vent in the ends.
Yeah, that has been getting wet.
Yeah. It's gonna all get cut out, so it's fine. The new window, this is his lower part for that. The blackboard's just too soft, isn't it?
Yeah. I don't like it. All right.
Yeah.
This one solves all those. Hi, Trey.
Hi. What are all these boards for?
Oh, junk window. Oh, these?
Yeah.
Just to stand on temporary.
Oh.
Okay, I could use that sawzall.
All right, so I let him go about his business of tearing out the rest of the window while I worked on our energy rebate credit. With windows and insulation, the government gives the energy companies money to give to you for insulating, doing windows and things like that. So I just was using my phone to go online and fill out the information for that because it really helps defer some of the cost on top of not being able to sell, you know, the window like that. Anything used you can sell. I just told him, I said, we've got stuff to sell for years. He's been doing the driveway project with moving all his Detroit diesel engines, and, you know, we bought them for parts to sell, and it's just a matter of having the time to get things listed for sale. And you got to use your time like this where he didn't need me working to do that. So he's been going around and adding like filler pieces between that siding backer board and our wall framing here because, well, it's just all different from the octagon window. What an opening difference from what we had to what we're getting. And it's getting cold, it's getting dark out. I'm shivering. It was 52 degrees up here when we started. Let's go see what it's warmed up to. Or cooled down to. Yeah, we're at about 48 degrees right now, so it's getting chilly. And, you know, I've just been sitting here on this bucket close to the window. He's working, so it's not bothering him so much.
You got a knife?
Do I? No, I don't. I gave my knife away to the hay feeding guy.
I'll never see it again.
We've been watching for knives as we're feeding the animals because Jack keeps borrowing knives and then losing them.
Well, I gotta dig some of that blackboard out to get this. See if there's a screwdriver over here. Or something. That's probably a dumb spot to leave that.
To leave a piece somewhere? Here? Because it's in the way?
That was a dumb spot to leave the nail gun.
Oh, yeah.
So, I'm gonna go ahead and fix that, or if you can.
I'll move it for you. Oh, that stupid coupler. Every time we move it. It just leaks air. And we have to be real careful and turn off all the kitchen lights because this is hooked up to the air compressor in the garage. And then we end up losing power because it trips the breaker if the kitchen lights are on. So we don't want it leaking air out for no reason. What are you doing there, bud?
Oh, I gotta cut some of this out to get the nail gun in there.
Oh my gosh.
I didn't cut this. I think it's not quite as wide.
Saw all playing without the saw.
A couple in there and then I can do some more spots.
Oh, I see. He just notched it out there so we can.
There. Now I can cut a few more spots out and then.
Okay.
Like
He just had to make a spot for the end of the nailing gun to get into. Dude, he's doing stuff. This whole wall just moves. So, shoring it up. The cardboard sleeves on this one were stapled in, so he's trying to get the staples out because he was afraid that the shims might run into it. And yeah, you just don't want to have it hanging there and then not be able to get it nailed in right. We've got some big finish nails we're using for putting it in, for nailing it in. He didn't want to use the nailing gun. We don't have a finish nailer. It's just a framing nailer, so way too big of nails on that.
Uh-oh. I didn't cut that blackboard enough. I gotta, so it's hitting it.
Okay, gotta back her out.
Rejected.
Okay. Well, he was hitting right here. It goes out too far. Take two. too. Try again. Hold on to that strap.
Okay. Okay. So, right now it's sitting on the top of this one, kind of
Okay.
rocking back and forth. That's why it's doing that. So I'll need you grab that box of shims. I got the nails in my pocket.
Oh, you do? Okay. These are the nails. It's a tendy pile of shims. I knew to have some things ready. Shims.
Kind of dirty.
Well, you got kind of dirty. This is a messy job.
Here, you take. I'll lift it up.
Do them together like that or one at a time?
Like here and here.
Okay.
So I get it up there a little bit.
Okay.
Okay, try that.
Yep. You're putting nails in before you find out that it's square? Just to hold that spot?
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm not putting them in much. So now I got to move over here and kick this. Okay, you let go.
Okay. You need these for the sides?
Yeah.
It's gonna start getting warmer in here now.
Mm-hmm. You can do your little insulation thing around there,
Yep.
like you did.
When he gets it all nailed in place, I'll go around the edges of it and put some fiberglass insulation in the space. We're just not fans of the spray foam, especially in this kind of situation, because once it has no resistance on the outside, it's gonna go out. I drove by a house on my way into town a couple of weeks ago, and you know, good for them for getting up there and filling it in, but you could see the spray foam on the outside of the house everywhere that they did it, and it was all over. Not a great time of year with the snow and then the snow melting and having an ice and having a sheet of ice underneath you for the ladder where it's sitting. To have to climb up and do any work on the side of the house is not necessary. So I can see why they just left it. Maybe they're going to get new siding this year.
Well, it's not going to fall out.
Okay, well, I'd like it better than not gonna fall out. You did the last window while I was doing other things. I missed the complete install.
They actually suck this in. This is bowed in.
Yeah.
When they do that. All right, so I guess I did 3 nails on each side on that one.
Mm-hmm. Well, I got 5 shims.
Is that
I think you dropped a partial.
You got a whole pile of them there.
Yeah, I know, but I didn't know how many you were going to want.
Yeah, we're going to be fine.
Okay. Man. Gotta watch yourself here. I was sticking my hand here. It's cold. There's a nail sticking out there. And all the staples from the roofing. Walk right into it. It's real good to have a handy person around to do this kind of stuff. I haven't done windows myself. But I think we'll be doing some windows this summer on another location that's got some bad old windows. Shivering. It's a window.
Better. Much better.
Look at the big mess he made. When he did the other window, he threw it all out. And there wasn't snow, so it was no trouble. And it was just carried off to the burning pile. We can't do it out the back window because the deck is there. The big picture window in the living room is underneath, so if anything bounced, we could have trouble.
Need them back. Gotta cut them things off.
Oh. All right. We're unpackaging the rest of the window, and he just cut the shipping strap on it. And they give you these plugs that go into where they're at. I can show you better on the other side, but
Maybe does this lower down?
yeah, both sides go.
Okay.
Double sash or double hung. I can't see what you're doing there.
Oh, they don't want to go in. I really need to. So this.
I think these are locks, shipping locks. They shore it all up so you can't accidentally open it, huh?
What is this?
I wasn't here for the first one. I don't know. Does it say? No. No unboxing instructions. You're on your own. Oh, look on the thing.
That doesn't want to. Did I ever take these out of the other one?
You must have.
Oh, look.
So how'd you get it?
So these are still in the other window,
Yeah.
but they don't belong in there, right?
I don't know.
Okay.
I can't imagine that they're supposed to stay, but they move around freely. One of the nicest things about doing a new window install is taking all the sticky film and layers off.
Well, it's in and it works and it's locked. So these things, they finally, they went.
Yeah.
And I don't know what these are for.
Well,
But anyway.
guys, tell us in the comments below, because we left it on the other one. We've been using the window for a while. At least 2 weeks. So it goes up and it goes down.
I don't know. Gotta be something to do with shipping, 'cause it's not like they stay.
Okay. Well. Pretty window.
Oh, is there
Huh.
both sides of each glass has that?
Yes.
Oh.
You have to go up and down and
More. How many pieces was there on that other one? Lots?
well, just one on the bottom.
I got it. Is there any there?
On the outside, I got the bottom one.
Okay.
Switch me spots. There you go. Lower your top one. Swap them, you know.
Ooh. That's nice.
It'll be so nice coming up here and doing other things and having a full double window light, because we've had foam over the octagon window because it was so badly spaced.
Uh-oh.
It's coming apart on you. Lower it down, you can reach it. He says no.
Is it?
Don't you guys like seeing his backside during all these videos? Oh, yeah. Oh, look at that.
You tell me to pull my pants up.
Well, that's always nice, but no.
All right. Wow, that's just great.
All right.
Well, if you want, I can trim these off.
Yeah.
We don't have our punch set here to put these in and get
No, they're in my shop bag.
putty, so I wasn't that worried.
I got wood putty here, but not,
it's
not a
straight
punch.
and level.
Mm-hmm.
And
Yeah.
secure.
Better just do the putty on a warmer day, too.
These walls were bad. You could come up here and push on that, and the whole wall would go like this.
Yeah.
And they just had, I don't know, why I did it that way, but whatever.
Nothing at all. All right, he's gonna cut off his excess on his shims, and I'm gonna get some insulation and go around the edges. That's it for today, everybody. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up button for us. It always helps us in the recommended videos on the side when you comment down below, when you hit the thumbs up. And if you know somebody who could benefit from this video, there's a little share thing down in the bottom. You click on that, it shows you the copy of the link to this video or to any other video that you're watching so that you can share it with a friend. We'll see you next time, everybody. Bye-bye.